Hey guys, what's up? It's Hannah and I am about to unbox TP-Link's Archer BE550 Tri-Band Wi-Fi 7 router. I'm super excited. I have not tried a Wi-Fi 7 router yet, so I'm really looking forward to it. So let's do it. I'm curious to see how big this is actually. This is what the white box looks like, so a little bit smaller than the box itself. Opening the box, I think what you can see here is the router directly on top. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that out of the box. Ooh, okay. It's kind of like a really big book, maybe like a dictionary or encyclopedia size for people who are bookworms like me. So this is what it looks like from the front, which is cool. It's definitely narrow. You could slide it into a bookshelf or an entertainment center probably pretty easily, but it is long horizontally. So I will probably position it front facing like this. Okay, so next, this really feels like an Apple product, like how they box things up really nice. Everything comes in individualized packages. It helps you to understand if everything is in the box. Oh, this is my cat, Max. He loves the camera. So we're just gonna move him really quick. Let's see what's in here. All right. Okay, so this looks like the power adapter. Yep, so it's black, it's kind of big, but it should plug in pretty smoothly to my power adapter power strip that I use for my entertainment center. I'll go ahead and put this up top so you guys can kind of see that. This, ooh, looks like a little invitation. I'm assuming this is probably the installation guide. Yes, okay. So this is the installation guide, which I will be using to set up the router. That's really nice that they have it sectioned off in an envelope. Usually a lot of packages just kind of have it in there somewhere and it can get lost when you unpackage things. What is this? Ooh, a reset tool. This is awesome. On the Archer BE550, they did not have one of these. And when I had to do a hard reset on the router, because I was struggling with setup, I had to use like a bobby pin to get in there because those reset buttons are super, super tiny. So this is really awesome that they actually include a tool that you can use to reset it. It's probably the size of a pin. So that's actually really awesome. And big props for including that. And I'm assuming, yes, this is the Ethernet cable. Same thing, black matches. Looks like it's wrapped really nice, so I can just unravel it and get it plugged in and get it ready to go. But that was a super simple, super easy unboxing. Like I said, it's definitely giving that Apple vibe, super clean, really pleasant unboxing. So again, Ethernet cable, power adapter, the box itself, the installation guide, and then of course the star of the show, which is the router, the Archer BE550. I'm really excited to give this a try. So thanks guys.